Hi, my name is Ashley Wali, and I'm the VP of Product for Discuss.io, and this is our Tech Talk. On the most macro level, Discuss.io is an online consumer conversation platform. Specifically, Discuss.io is a purpose-built smart video platform that makes it easy for brands and agencies to have more conversations with more consumers more efficiently to make more informed business decisions. We do this through an integration of online video, workflow, and a marketplace of services that make having conversations with consumers easy and seamless. Discuss.io was built by market researchers to take the friction out of consumer conversations. As the internet grew and took over online sales, lead generation, and entertainment, we've become so focused on data, big data, for KPIs, insight, and strategy. But something's missing. By focusing most heavily on quantitative data, we've been essentially reducing customers to numbers in an analytical platform. We've lost our finger on the pulse of the feelings and motivations that push customers to complete or abandon purchases or bounce from a web page. We've lost the why consumers do what they do. At Discuss, it's our mission to facilitate these conversations between companies and their consumers and turn those insights into actionable ideas that can be implemented across the consumer lifecycle. From individual customer one-on-ones to large-scale moderated focus groups, Discuss enables structured dialogue with a full suite of integrated tools before, during, and after the conversations to help generate and share insights across the organization. The COVID-19 pandemic has dramatically increased the pace of digital transformation. With more companies and consumers distanced by in-person restrictions, it became clear that the old methods of facilitating these vital conversations were unsafe and unsuited for this changing landscape. Without the ability to get groups of consumers together in a room to understand their feelings and motivations, more and more clients have shifted their qualitative data gathering efforts to digital solutions. Discuss stands at a unique inflection point, able to create safe, structured environments for conversations around the world, with the infrastructure in place to recruit participants from more than 100 countries. Since the start of 2020, we've seen the number of sessions we host increase by over 400% as brands and agencies pivot to online consumer conversations. In an era that will likely be dominated by a distance between brand and consumer for months and potentially years to come, we provide the purpose-built platform for face-to-face online interactions. Smart video means that we combine purpose-specific features and services with a robust video platform that takes the friction out of setting up, executing, and sharing insights from consumer conversations. Our platform is uniquely positioned to meet the demands of this new normal because we provide an end-to-end solution for consumer research. And by end-to-end, we mean just that. From recruiting to moderating discussions to distilling post-meeting insights, the Discuss platform is a fully integrated research suite that doesn't require cobbling together disparate tools to use or demand an expert research background to execute. Everything a brand needs to uncover actionable qualitative data is at their fingertips in the Discuss.io platform. When we first launched Discuss, Unilever, the largest consumer packaged goods company in the world, discovered our service and decided to become early investors. They realized that smart video would be an important component of a global consumer conversation program. Over the last 7 years, we've been able to continuously add services to the marketplace, as well as capabilities to our technology platform that reduces friction in setting up, executing, and sharing consumer conversations. Our growth with international clients has led to an expansion of our team to support projects all over the world. In fact, when we had our most recent all-hands meeting, we had employees representing 13 different countries. More than half of our revenue comes from outside of North America, which is a testament to the international nature of consumer insights and our ability to execute on a global basis. Discuss.io has found a unique product fit with clients that place a high value on connecting with consumers on a deeper level and over their entire customer or product lifecycle. We support consumer market research with the largest brands in the world, including Unilever, Pepsi, and MasterCard, brand research with tech companies like Logitech, research agencies like Ipsos, and membership insights with AARP. Because Discuss.io is both a smart video technology platform and a marketplace of services, including panel recruiting, moderation, and translation, we can partner with agencies and brands of all sizes that might have their own respondent panel and moderators, or provide a full set of services for a turnkey research project. Discuss has also invested heavily in security, privacy, and permissions that make us a great fit for global brands because each country has their own rules around acquiring and storing consumer data. So you have to have a platform that is both flexible and secure. There are lots of video platforms out there: Zoom, Teams, Slack, etc. And they're all great for team meetings, webinars, and general use. But they aren't smart video platforms that are purpose-built for scaling consumer conversations like Discuss.io. We integrate an entire workflow and set of capabilities from pre-session to in-session to post-session that allows insights professionals to go through the entire process in a rapid and agile way to enable more conversations. A great example is the new Respondent Management Hub that combines email, calendar, technology check, project management, as well as a highly secure place to store respondent data in a single management hub. This hub replaces multiple tools and makes setting up interviews much simpler to reduce friction points across the process. Discuss.io is different because it's the most complete, integrated smart video platform on the market for consumer conversations. Our purpose-built functionality is how we stand apart from the more widely used video platforms available today. The ability to provide structure to conversations, as well as tools to extract insights from these interactions, runs through the DNA of our company. In order for a service like Zoom to operate at the level of Discuss, it would take a collection of costly and inefficient external integrations. With Discuss, it's all in one place. The Discuss platform features a number of in-meeting tools, including digital whiteboards for interactive presentations, integrated discussion guides that form the structure of conversations, and additional features like multiple roles for participation, like moderator, observer, translator, or project manager. Zoom does not give you this. Post-meeting tools enable companies to isolate video clips of key moments that were flagged during the discussion and stitch together highlight reels for presentations. Full searchable automatic transcripts are made available of all conversations to offer a detailed record of actionable insights. All documents, videos, and project information are centrally stored for simple searching and sharing. With built-in workflow tools, participant recruiting functionality, and expert discussion moderator availability, Discuss is a one-stop shop for all qualitative market research needs. It's more than video, it's smart video. Now that we have an idea of what Discuss does, let's get a bit more hands-on and explore some of the platform's capabilities. When setting up meetings, clients can select and schedule which respondents they'd like to include for which discussion, with detailed demographic, language, and location information. The platform integrates with calendars, so both moderators and respondents will know when they're expected for a conversation. Ahead of meetings, clients are able to upload stimuli such as photos and videos, which can be displayed during a discussion to elicit responses and drive conversation. During the meeting, brands and agencies are able to follow an integrated discussion guide that can not only be used to keep the conversation focused, but serve as bookmarks in the video for responses that can be referenced in post-meeting insight gathering. Another key feature of Discuss is the different roles available during the session. For example, the observer role is used to watch respondents without them knowing you're there. This allows for more people to watch, talk to each other via our backroom chat, and send follow-up questions to the moderator. Our backroom chat is one way our chat functionality is built to help teams get the most out of their sessions. When the session is over, you can quickly edit video and create shareable clips to download to include in your insights recaps. Discuss.io automatically generates a transcription and archives of all of your documents, respondent information, videos, and clips in a single project. One unique aspect of the Discuss platform is how it's project-focused. For example, when a client creates a research project, Discuss creates a unique link which serves as a permanent meeting room for training, collaboration, and debriefs, as well as unique room IDs for each consumer conversation. In meetings, there are a number of conversation tools that can be used to keep a discussion flowing and keep respondents engaged. Discuss features a share screen with markup, which enables respondents to interface with displayed stimuli, with all markups anonymized to remove bias. During conversations, moderators can simply click a Saved Moments button, which automatically isolates noteworthy video clips of responses for fast reference after the interview. Once the meeting is complete, the flagged clips are highlighted on the video timeline. Similarly, there's a snapshots button, which can capture screenshots of stimuli shared in the conversation. Immediately after the interview is complete, moderators are given question prompts to record key insights while the conversation is still fresh in their minds. In the post-interview insights gathering phase, Discuss offers a full video transcript synced to the stored video, so clients can search a transcript for keywords and jump directly to that moment in the video that keyword comes up. Likewise, the saved moments video clip a client has highlighted are saved over the course of an entire project and can be easily stitched together into one highlight reel for presentations and further reference. Of course, this all just scratches the surface of some of the capabilities of the Discuss platform. The main drive of Discuss.io is to create conversations that count. We think about distance as the new normal now, but it's been a barrier for as long as businesses have been operating. Even for a multinational corporation like Unilever, the costs associated with traveling internationally to facilitate conversations with customers can be prohibitive. Unilever's CMI team deployed Discuss to explore a new retail channel in the UK by speaking directly with consumers who bought a specific product in hopes of understanding their shopping behaviors. And the insights needed to be gathered quickly for a strategy workshop happening just 2 weeks later. Discuss was able to help Unilever recruit respondents from all over the UK, not just those living in a central part of London, which helped give a broader range of customer thoughts and feelings. In the end, the project yielded valuable insights, which the CMI team was able to present in the form of respondent highlight reels at the strategy workshop. And that's the beauty of Discuss. Because it's an end-to-end solution, companies big and small are able to deploy it almost immediately, putting them in direct conversation with consumers without the need for lengthy and costly travel assignments or outside recruiting. Though if a client does have their own respondent pool, that can be utilized as well. One of the biggest impacts of working with Discuss.io is the dramatic increase in the number of consumer conversations you can have. By handling the entire process online with an integrated set of tools, you can get into an agile research process and handle hundreds of conversations in the same time frame as executing a few. This means you can extend your conversations across different functional areas like brand, product, and HR, as well as get more specific about the questions and insights generated at each stage of a product or customer journey. More conversations means more insight, more new ideas, and more informed decisions. Discuss.io is built for scaling consumer conversations, and we do that really well. One of the areas where the platform is limited, however, is in larger scale presentations. We are not built for webinars, ongoing chat like Slack, or large group events at this time. Discuss is also not a downloadable app. Instead, we are an in-browser smart video platform. Currently, Discuss runs best on Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. Discuss.io provides depth of insight across the entire MarTech stack. While you might be using ad servers, marketing automation, website analytics, and CRM systems to touch and measure customer engagement, they won't tell you what consumers are thinking or why they make different decisions. Every consumer touchpoint and product decision can be improved by injecting consumer insight into the decision-making process. Understanding the pain consumers feel and how they describe it for the problem that your product solves creates more effective ads and emails. Digging deeper into why people make decisions on your website or mobile app means you can improve conversion rates and customer experience. Combining the qualitative insights from consumer conversations with the quantitative insights from analytics and measurement systems gives brands and agencies the best opportunity to succeed. One of the hallmarks of Discuss.io is flexibility. Whether you're a do-it-yourself agency that just needs the technology platform, or a global brand that wants a little extra support to build a full-service consumer connection program, Discuss.io meets you where you are. This philosophy extends to our pricing. We have a real-time quoting system that takes into account how many sessions you need, how many people you want to talk to, and what services you need in which countries, and provides an instant quote. This can be done on an ad hoc basis, session by session, or clients can sign up for a subscription plan that gives them a bundle of sessions and services for a fixed lower fee. Our clients love how intuitive and simple we are to understand and use. We've had new agencies reach out to us on Monday and be live at the session on Thursday with their own respondent panel. More involved projects will take a bit longer to set up and get going, but it's days and not months. For more information on Discuss, check us out at discuss.io Or to get in touch, shoot us an email at hello@discuss.io. Thanks for watching our Tech Talk.